Good morning, this is Adam Tuiaana with FCOJ-A Futures in Chicago, coming to you reporting the soft commodities markets this morning. Today is Friday, April 19th, 2013. Jumping right into the cocoa, last night we actually had the North American grinding totals for cocoa come out. On Wednesday we had the European grinding totals, which were bearish. The demand showed that there wasn't a large demand for chocolate in the Eurozone. But North American grinding totals were actually pretty bullish. So who would have known that Americans and Canadians are eating more chocolate than Europeans? I would have known that, but that supported the market a little bit. The grinding totals came up about 6% increase over last year. So that's been able to support the market. Cocoa responded pretty well. Right now it's still trading above that. We talked about that neckline of the head and shoulders reversal pattern in my last video. It's holding support above that area. Again, 23.36 in the July contract, up 17 ticks on the day. So upside resistance, still very bullish. 2400 level. On the downside, keep an eye out for support at 2200. Moving over to coffee, which last traded 143.30 in the July contract. Very big day so far, up about 240 ticks on the day. Possibly a lot of active short covering. Basically these funds that were hedging to the downside covered their position. So basically what do you do when you cover a position and you're short? You buy futures contracts. So that's helping to lift the price up. Yesterday we had a huge day for coffee, almost up 400 ticks yesterday, where it started at 136.90 and then 140.80 is where we ended up. So very big move, a lot of short covering. Long term, we still have the Roya fungus fears that are out there in Central America. So I think ultimately that's going to turn the market around and reverse this downtrend that it's been in. But I think it's going to take a little while to do that. For the time being, I am continued bearish. Upside resistance for July coffee is going to be 143.70. And on the downside, it's going to be 133.55. So keep an eye on those two levels. If you have any questions on futures or options on futures, or you just want some basic education, my name is Adam Tuiaana. You can reach me right here at the number below. Aside from that, please keep in mind that futures trading does present substantial risk, and it may not be suitable for all investors out there. Have a great day.